All right, I'm testing out yet another head shaver. I've been testing out several of these things, and I really like this form factor the best. I've tried several head shavers that are shaped differently than this, but I keep on coming back to this one, this style of head shaver, because it is so incredibly easy to use. It's comfortable to hold in your hand. It's like just the right size, and something about it, I don't know exactly what it is, but something about the way that these razors are just aligned perfectly and have just the right amount of give. It's a really comfortable shaving experience as well. So this one, I noticed whenever you turn it on, it's going to say long press 3 seconds to unlock. So it's locked by default. And if you hold it on, then it unlocks, and it shows you the battery percentage. It also shows you the time that you've used it for. So it also comes with a little brush to clean it with afterwards, and also a USB cord to charge it up. So the USB cord charges it up right there. It is waterproof as well, so you can use it in the shower if you really want to. I usually just shave my head before I get in the shower though. But let's try this out and see how it feels. All right, here are my thoughts on this razor. Like I said, I really like this form factor, and it's really easy to hold in your hand and get everything on your head, so it does a good job in that regard. I would say it's not my very favorite in terms of the ones that I've used, but it's in the top 3. I say it does a good job, and for the value, I think it's a good selection. So if you're looking for good value, this is a good one. It's really easy to clean as well. You just pop this thing off, then you can use your brush to kind of brush away some of this hair, some of this loose hair that's both on this aspect, this part right here, and then also on the razor head, kind of brush away some of this stuff. Or you could just go straight to rinsing it off, because it is waterproof. So you just rinse it off. Set these things out to dry separately, and then once they're dry, stick them back together. So yeah, I really like this thing. Like I said, not my most favorite one, but definitely in the top 3. So I do recommend it. It's good.
If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission, and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.